Stop. Drop. Roll. All right, you get the idea. Look, fire safety may be an elementary idea, but it is one of the most important safety considerations you should have in your shop. Let's talk more about why fire safety is so important. In your shop, fire hazards are among the most dangerous you have to deal with. Scattered throughout your shop are flammable liquids, materials, and electrical equipment that, if not handled or protected properly, can be a fire risk to you, your employees, and customers. As a shop owner, you want all three to be safe at all times. Here are a few fire safety tips to keep in mind to ensure everyone is safe. First, make sure to properly store and handle dangerous materials. Repair shops like yours have a variety of gas, oil, and solvents, and all of them are flammable materials. That's why storing and handling them the right way will help prevent potential fires. When it comes to storage, keep flammable liquids labeled in approved containers and kept well ventilated away from potential fire-starting sources. If you have safety cabinets available, keep them in there and keep them closed when you aren't using them. Whether you have newer employees or ones that have been there for years, freshen up their training and proper procedures for handling these materials and on disposal. Remind them that spills should be cleaned right away and to place the rags stored in a container with a lid until it's time to clean them. Second, inspect and perform regular maintenance on all your equipment. If you don't maintain your equipment and tools, they will wear out and maybe even become hazardous. Frayed wires, for example, can be prime spots for sparks to turn into fires. One way to avoid this is by telling your employees to inspect and clean equipment before they leave every day. This includes electrical equipment, which should be shut off before the very last employee leaves. Third, make sure you have the appropriate fire safety systems installed in your shop. That includes fire extinguishers, kept at least 50 feet away from potential fire hazards that are easily accessible to employees, and sprinkler systems. When it comes to sprinkler systems, make sure to have them checked regularly, at least every 6 months, to make sure they're working properly. The fourth tip is to train your employees on fire safety. This goes way beyond training them on proper handling procedures, though. If you're doing fire safety right, you should ensure your employees do fire safety checks at least once a week. That means checking the fire extinguishers, the sprinklers, and storing dangerous and flammable materials properly. Remember, it only takes one small mistake or misstep to cause a fire. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.